My name is Mike Smith. I'm a wildlife technician with Colorado Parks and Wildlife. We're at the Spanish Peak State Wildlife Area located in Los Animas County, about 25 miles northwest of Trinidad. The Spanish Peak State Wildlife Area is approximately 7,000 acres. It was acquired beginning in the mid-1960s. It's primarily mixed conifer ponderosa forest with scattered meadows throughout the entire property. The Spanish Peak State Wildlife Area is an amazing area because it's home to several big game species, deer, elk, mountain lion, bear, as well as a population of wild turkeys. One of my primary responsibilities is improving habitat for wildlife. The most recent habitat project we just completed involved a 370-acre forest thinning project.
We started the forest restoration project here on Spanish Peak State Wildlife Area in early June and finished up in late July. The goal of the forest project here on Spanish Peaks was to open up the canopy to create more stand structure diversity and to allow more grasses and shrubs to grow. The project encompassed 8 different treatment areas. You'll notice here on the property, the areas that have been treated are aggressively thinned to open up that forest canopy versus the adjacent non-treated forests. The benefits of having a forest that is less dense is there's more understory growth that benefits wildlife and increases wildlife use. An ancillary benefit to this project is to improve forest health and reduce wildfire severity. In 3 to 5 years, you'll see a forest that has a lot more grasses and shrubs in the understory of the forest that provides more forage for wildlife. Active forest management is critical to maintaining our forests here in Colorado, not only from a wildlife perspective, but also just from a general forest health perspective. This project is a prime example of boots on the ground habitat management that we do here at Colorado Parks and Wildlife. These projects are extremely rewarding for us, not only to see the wildlife response, but also it helps us take care of the forest for future generations.